Good morning, students. And in this video we will discuss the first chapter of your literature book, that is Three Questions by Leo Tolstoy. And we know that Leo Tolstoy is very popular writer. He is known for the simplicity of using the words and the language, and he is famous as a story writer. So, and his writing always gives message to the society. And in three questions, we will see that the king has become inquisitive, curious to know the answer of three questions. And what are the three questions? And he has made a proclamation that if anyone answers the questions of his three questions, and he would reward him plentifully. Okay, so means the scholars from different corners of the kingdom came to answer the questions put up by the king. And some said the questions are: first, what is the right time to begin a work? Who is the right person to whom he will believe in? And what is the right work to do? These one is right action, right time, and right person. And if the king knows these three answers, he would not face any problem in managing his kingdom. Okay, so the people came, some suggested that the right time is to set a calendar beforehand, and you should follow the calendar. As a result, you will not face any problem. You can find which is the right time. Okay, and some said that means you should have a council of a minister, and those can suggest you which is the right time to do any work. And some said no, you should have a magician, and who can forecast, who can predict which will be the right time for any work. And even that the king did not agree, and these answers could not please the king. And king thought that no, and it would be difficult to be led before a council of a minister at the time of a exigency to get to know the perfect time to work. Okay, so that means the king thought that he would go to a hermit who is known for his wisdom, and this hermit is very down to earth, very practical, and he does not allow the other rich people except the common folk to meet him. And the king went with his bodyguards and his his ministers, but he put on the common dress, and his bodyguards, that means they hid themselves in the distance, and he went to meet the hermit. And hermit at that time was digging the earth. He was making the beds. Okay, and he asked for the spade to dig, and the hermit gave, but he questioned, please tell me the answers of these three questions, what he had asked to other scholars. But the hermit did not answer anything, and he got surprised that he is continuously asking the question, but the hermit does not listen. Though hermit listens, but he does not answer. Okay, that at that time, and he found a man is rushing towards them, and he is pressing his hands with a handkerchief against his stomach, and it is bleeding profusely. Okay, that means he is groaning with pain. And immediately, and when they found the man who is very bearded, and they took care of him, and they washed his wound, and kept him on the bed, and took all the treatment of this bearded man. And the man unconsciously, and he slept the whole night, and the king was sleeping at the doorstep. Okay, and in the morning, and he got up, the king, and he could find where he is, and the bearded man was staring at the king very intently, and he confessed the motive and the thing that happened to him, and he told that he was hiding in an ambush at that time. That means the bodyguard he came upon, that means he met the bodyguards of the king, and when they knew that he is the enemy who had come to kill the king, so means they wounded and to save his life, and he was running, he was fleeing. Okay, so means the king took care of this one, and he became fit, and even and means he dedicated, he confessed his mistake, and he dedicated his life to serve the king throughout his life. Okay, and he told that means his brothers, the king had seized the property of his brother and had killed him, so that he had come to take revenge upon the king. And the king became very happy that his one of his enemies turned to a friend, and even he told that he would tell his sons to serve the king throughout their life. Even the king also became very happy, and he instructed his servants that means to take care of him and to help him and to return all his property seized by him. Okay, and means next the evening approached, and that the king wanted to leave, but he could not get the answer of these three questions. And once again he asked the hermit, means please tell me these three questions. And the hermit very surprisingly answered that already you have got the answers of the three questions. First question was, what is the right time to do any work? What is the who is the right person to whom we believe in, and which is the right action to do? And he told that the right time, the present time, is the right time. If he had not stayed there, if he had not helped the king, helped the hermit, and he had left, he would have been wounded and killed by the bearded man. So this is the right time. Okay, present is the right time, and with whom you spend the time, that is the present time, is the right time. The person with whom you spend at that time is the right person whom you believe, and right, and showing the sympathy, taking care, okay, means of the hermit, and is the right work. Showing goodness to the hermit is the right work. And if he had not rendered help, if he had to the hermit, he had left, he would have been killed. So means three things I make it very clear. That means the present time is the right time to do any work, and the person with whom you spend at the present is the right person you should believe, and showing the sympathy and goodness to someone at the present is the right action. For that God has sent into this world. That means to serve others. Even means even the king means got the answers. He became happy, and he got from the practical wisdom of the hermit, and that he became very happy. So right time, right people, right action. The present time is the right time. The person with whom you spend at present is the right person to you should believe him, and the showing goodness towards the person at present is the right work, right action. Thank you. I hope you will understand. Thank you.